My name is Raymond Han, and I'm a Fortune 500 corporate executive turned leadership coach and mentor. I would like to share my thoughts on Sin Meadows' Online Selling Basics Challenge that I participated in this past week. I've attended similar challenges of late. All do well to excite you on the opportunities, but Sin differs in her ability to communicate not just the excitement and opportunity, but also what, when, and how so you can implement. That's so important so you can imagine the results. Her program provided me with tremendous value, golden nuggets and tips on where and how to make money in e-commerce, an industry I was confused because of ads with conflicting messages about drop shipping, drop servicing, and how they're supposed to have surpassed their usefulness. She cleared up my mind so I have the clarity and confidence to decide whether e-commerce is sustainable and whether it's for me. I'm happy to recommend Sin Meadows. She's knowledgeable, she's highly organized, and she's keen to help you make strides into the e-commerce space. Thanks, Sin. Well done.